Ever wondered why dogs fear loud noises? Let's dive in. Dogs have sensitive hearing, making loud sounds overwhelming. This fear can lead to stress and anxiety in our furry friends. So, how can we help our dogs stay calm during loud noises? Create a safe space where they can retreat during storms or fireworks. Use calming music or white noise to drown out the loud sounds. Consider using anxiety wraps or calming sprays for extra support. Training and desensitization can also help reduce their fear over time. Remember, patience is key. Help your dog feel safe and loved.